Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canuel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is my message out to the community for December 2024. But not only is this my last one for 2024, it's my last one as the CEO of Learn. The tribe has voted and it's been decided that I will be off the island, gone. After 20 years, voted off the island. Well, I guess it just had to come to this at some point. You know, we've worked together, we've tried to accomplish so much, and I think we've done so much for our community, but my time has come, and I guess people have just decided that it would be better if another person stepped in. Now, I know that the next person who's going to step in, I know her well. I know how passionate she is and how devoted she is. I know that she will have the support of the community, of our team, of everyone there. But one day her time will come too, and the tribe will vote her off. But I hope that it's in many, many years from now, after she will have taken what we've built together thus far and made it an even greater success. And I know that we're poised to do that. I'm very proud of everyone. I'm proud of where we've been, what we've done. And so I want to leave you with a few quick thoughts here along the way. When I started off 20 years ago, I asked our board of directors, the chair at the time, I said, what do you want Learn to be? And he said, figure it out. I don't know, you figure it out. And they threw us a little bit of money at the time, and we tried to figure it out. And I think we did a good job in that direction. We made it what it is today, an integral part of the community, an important contributor to student success, and a team of passionate educators and supporters for all that we do. I don't want to start naming people who've been there for me along the way and who've helped to make it all what it is today. Obviously, I have my family, my wife, my family, my children, all of them, my grandchildren, who've been there for me and supported me in the more difficult moments. I would like to thank our board of directors for the very warm, considerate send-off they gave me at our last board of directors meeting. I'd like to thank the Ministry of Education for its devotion to students, putting the interests of students first and foremost, and not petty bureaucracy. I know that they're well beyond that. I'd like to thank all those people who decided that it would be better if they worked collaboratively and not work on being redundant, share resources. Without them, where would we be today? So thank you to all those wonderful people who made an amazing contribution. I can go on, but it just wouldn't be fair to, because I know I would end up leaving some of them out. So before I leave, I want to wish you all a very, very happy New Year, happy holiday, all those wonderful things that come with being with family and friends during these times. I'll be around somewhere, probably drifting along on some raft in the ocean now that I'm leaving the island. Hang in there, maybe there'll be a bottle floating around in the water, and you'll be able to pick it up and read a note from me. And the note will be, thank you. Thank you for the memories. And now they're telling me I've got to turn the torch off because I got to leave the island. Bye, everyone.